Hello traders and welcome to another video review 8 days ahead of the Bitcoin halving. Today is Thursday, April 11th, 2024. We are looking at the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, the recent week was very good for the bulls. They managed to move from the lows of 60,147 towards the almost new all-time high located at 67,304. Then we got the pullback. Yesterday we covered all of the losses. All of the pullback was retraced, so we have this very nice pattern here on a daily time frame chart, and today we are green already, hovering just below these levels here. So the first level is of course the technical resistance from Tuesday. This is 67,304. So that's red. And there is one more level, of course, we need to mention. This is 67,531, another technical resistance. So we are very, very close to this levels. Bulls are in charge of this market. And if we apply our trend line, a short-term trend line would look something like this without any problem. And the longer one would look something like this. So we are above both of the trend lines. It looks like the market wants to at least retest the all-time high ahead of the Bitcoin halving. What about the momentum? Let's take a look at the RSI indicator. So the momentum on the daily time frame chart is positive. It's quite strong, 59 points right now, so it's not that bad. And we are looking to cover more room to the upside on the momentum, more room to the upside on the chart as well. So the strong bullish momentum will be sustained. One more indicator to our analysis. Let's take a look how the moving averages are positioned right now. 9 and 26 periods moving averages are all below the current price, so the market bounced from the 9 and 26 periods moving average. But because we are looking at the daily time frame chart, let's take a look at the longer moving averages. 100 and 200 moving averages are way below the current price, so the market is still above the moving averages, which means that the uptrend is sustained, and the market has the ability to move even higher. If we zoom out, we can see that the current situation for the market is way above the 100 and 200 periods moving average. Bullish cross was made here, and since then we got this very nice rally higher. So the outlook remains bullish. The uptrend is being continued 8 days ahead of the Bitcoin halving. There is no indication the uptrend is about to terminate or to reverse, and we should see new all-time high very soon, because the momentum is strong. The bulls are in charge of the market, and it looks like from the technical point of view, the last swing high at 67,531 will be at least tested or even broken very soon. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. I hope you guys like it, and let me just wish you good luck ahead of the Bitcoin halving. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much. Take care, guys, and bye bye.